If you're new to this channel, welcome. Here, we teach you how to manage your money wisely, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. If you're serious about improving your financial life, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Imagine this. You work hard all month, your salary hits your account, and within weeks, it's all gone. Bills, unexpected expenses, a little fun, and then the same question. Where did the money go? What if I told you there's a simple way to take control of your money? A system that lets you enjoy life without financial stress. Meet the 50-30-20 rule, a formula that can transform your money management strategy. If you haven't applied it yet, by the end of this video, you'll wish you had started sooner. Let's dive in. Money struggles are a major issue for everyone, whether you're 30 or 80, whether you make $3,000 or $30,000 a month. If you don't have a proper system, money will control you instead of you controlling it. And that is the biggest risk. The truth is, wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how you manage what you have. And this is where the 50-30-20 rule completely changes your financial picture. This rule is incredibly simple, yet extremely powerful. Start applying it and watch your life change. First, 50% of your income should go toward necessities: rent, loans, bills, groceries, healthcare. These are essential expenses. But here's the key. If they take up more than 50% of your income, you need to cut back. Maybe it's time to find a more affordable apartment, cancel unused subscriptions, or reduce unnecessary costs. Small changes can make a huge difference. Next, 30%. This is for your wants. Yes, you should enjoy life. Dining out, traveling, entertainment, gym memberships. But here's the biggest mistake. People start treating wants as needs. Buying a new car isn't a necessity. Designer clothes aren't essential. Be smart, set limits. If you don't control this category, your financial growth will stall. And finally, 20%. This is where real wealth is built. Savings, investments, debt repayment, it all falls here. If you're not saving and investing at least 20% of your income, you're putting your future at risk. Imagine being forced to work at 70 because you didn't save when you had the chance. Scary, right? Fix this now. Now imagine following this rule for just 1 year. Your debts start shrinking. Your savings grow. You have money for travel, retirement, emergencies. You feel free from money stress. And it all happens with one simple rule. Now, it's your turn. Take the next 5 minutes to break down your income using this rule. What expenses can you cut? Where can you invest? Comment below with your biggest money challenge. I'll try to answer as many as I can. If you want to master your finances, make sure to subscribe, because financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision.